What's up with you?
Nah, not much. Just bored. It's like 4 a.m. here.
This the one who said she need at least a stack to bend that back. Damn.
No. I take it back now.
Don't take it back. If you need a stack to
own it.
You need a stack to arch that back. Listen, you gotta leave your troops. You know what you said. I ain't judging you.
Yeah, no. I said it, but why does it have to be like that, you know?
It don't gotta be like that if you just give me somebody that you love and he love you. Let me tell you something. When you love a motherfucker, it don't be about the money.
Yeah, that's true. True.
But a good mom will tell you that your heart should never fall in love with a broke nigga.
Well, that's right. Your paper is your success.
I love you, nigga, but we can't live off of fresh air, and that's all you getting out here, nigga, is fresh air.
That's right.
All you doing is breathing, motherfucker.
Especially if you've got a family to look after.
We can't eat off of H2O, nigga. So, yeah.
A smart woman will know that anyway.
So it's kind of like a fucked up, because it's like love ain't based on money, but I ain't gonna love no broke ass nigga.
Do you see Beyonce with a broke ass nigga?
It's like, is it really based off money? Because if you ain't
not based off money, no, wealth is found in the heart. But
no, you know what women say when it's based off money? No, I like nice things though, and if if you can't buy me nice things, like we can't do nice things, it ain't based off of money, but a bitch like the biggest Chanel bag that's out.
I don't have a fucking Chanel bag, man. I'd rather feed the fucking poor.
No, I'm saying.
But most guys are like that, yeah, 100%.
I'm saying that's what women say when they don't want to say it's about the money. They be like, it's not about the money to me, but you know, I do like nice things. Like I like eating at Ruth Chris. A bitch don't like Outback, you know.
No, like my heritage, we don't care about money.
So why you need a stack for a nigga to arch your back?
Because this is fucking white colonization. That's why.
Okay, you deal with mostly
white guys. A new time now, a new world.
Hey, you deal with mostly white guys?
I'm scared of the black ones.
Oh, you're scared of them dingo dicks.
Do you know? So we don't call them niggers down here, like abos, kuris down here. They can literally sting you. Like, if they want you, all they need is your hair.
Are you scared of them MDDs, huh?
I am. Hang on, can you tell me what that is?
The Mandingo dicks.
Just spiritually, it scares the fuck out of me.
So the white guys, they love that they. But see, the white guys, they love that. They don't mind giving up writing that check, huh?
I'm not after check, man. I just want enough to fucking. I don't really care about that. So, like I said, wealth is found in the heart. But you know, you need it to get by. It's a tool. So that's all I'm trying to do.
So it's a stack to arch that back.
What's that?
So it's a stack to arch that back.
I don't understand. I used to have blonde hair, believe it or not. So I'm a bit slow sometimes.
Yeah, because it's good that you mess with white guys, because black guys ain't the stack, nigga. Like
I've had a few American guys. They're different.
That's a low income tax check. A stack. Some bitches get less than that on their taxes.
True. I think that everyone's struggling now.
Yeah, especially strippers. Dang.
Well, I'm a dancer. I'm a dancer.
It's hard for strippers right now because ain't no clubs open.
No, that's right. What do you think they're going to be doing?
Fans only. Hey, you got the fans only page?
I ain't got no page. I'm too shy.
How you too shy to be a stripper?
Because
your job
that's
is
22.
First of all,
I just told you I was Aboriginal, right? There's
let me just say something.
Shame.
Your
shame,
job,
shame.
Your job is to go to work.
Yeah, I had to get over that bridge.
Can I finish?
Yes.
Your job is to go to work, walk up on a nigga, do a little one of these. Hey, daddy. You want to do and to make him feel like he really the shit.
Do you know what I put it down to? It's all got to be a game in your mind. Like, you got to make yourself a little bit fucking psychologically fucked up.
Let me tell you something.
It's like business. It's business. That's how
right.
That's how you go about business every time.
You know what these niggas leaving out the strip club did?
What's that?
It be niggas leaving out the strip club talking, yeah, them bitches was there. They was loving me tonight. Them bitches was all over me.
It's all about the fantasy. There ain't no strip clubs open now.
Alright, cool, bro. Niggas don't be understanding that that's y'all job. To make a nigga feel like he's a winner chicken dinner. Y'all don't give a fuck if a nigga fat, skinny, medium, tall, short,
money is fucking money at the end of the day. And I tell you what, no one's gonna fucking pay my bills.
Bitch, where's the ones? Oh, you got the ones? Go to sign in there. Fat boy over here that weighs 1,100 pounds got the ones.
Hey, you know what? No. Hang on. Hold back for a second. I actually, my personality, I like repel the ones that I don't want. I know that sounds fucked up, but.
Well, yeah, you ain't no true hustler.
Yeah, like I kind of stabbed myself in the foot a bit, but.
Right, because you be judging.
I can't do that. I can't have
you
that
be like, you looking at niggas like, he looks kind of dirty. Nah, I'm cool. I don't let them go over there. Then you look up the dirty nigga over there with 7,000 in his hand.
No, I've got like a nasty side to me too, and it fucking works. But
you done fucked up a couple times being judgmental, huh?
A couple times, of course.
Yeah.
No, because no. Actually, you know what? No.
Yes, you did.
Nah.
Yes, the fuck you did.
No.
You already told the truth. Don't try to double back on it.
They thought that I was fucking up myself, but I wasn't because they were just fucking drop kicks.
Oh, okay. Well, I appreciate you tapping in a little, mama.
You're welcome.
All love, all the way from all fucking love all over the fucking country. No, I mean the world. That's not the country. That's the world. That's the fucking world, Craig. You hear me? Nigga loved all over the fucking world, Craig.
You is funny, but you hurry up and smoke that blunt.
Fuck you, get back on here.
Cause your ass tapped me back in.
The fuck?